$2 just by selling one item. And if you combine this kind of items, maybe 50 items like this one, you can make $12,600 per month profit. So make sure you get 50 correct items which are selling very good, like this one. So this video is about how to do the average weekly sales research and generate the report for similar kind of products on eBay using a tool called Shelftrend. This is a very simple yet very effective tool for your e-commerce business and will help you to grow your e-commerce business on eBay drastically. But before we start, if you want to grow your business on eBay or any other platforms, feel free to check it out my website ecomhardy.com, where you will find a lot of different kind of tools here. There are free tools section on the menu bar. You can use that. There are further tutorial videos on Shopify and WordPress as well provided. And if you scroll down, if you're new to e-commerce and if you don't know what kind of CMS platform you have to go with or it is beneficial for your e-commerce business, then go and check it out. This particular link here, if you click on it, it will take you to 1 month for just $1, and first 3 days would be free of cost, and that way you will know whether the Shopify is the right fit for you. Now let's go back to the business here. If I go to Shelftrend here, you can go to shelftrend.com and you will find the prices here. They have free subscription plan available which provides the limited data research tool, but I would highly suggest you to go with professional seller plan if you can afford, and it will enable you to do some further research and it will give you enriched data and it will expand your research. I am not affiliated to this tool. I'm not making any commission while I'm making this video. This is just out of bloom. I am recording because I'm using this tool and I really like this tool for my eBay business. Now let me go to the dashboard of this website shelftrend.com, and once you log in it will show you the dashboard something like this one. Now you can click to new report and select average weekly sales. So that's how you can do average weekly sales report on eBay. If you want to learn about how to create reports on supply, demand and new listing, feel free to check it out. The links given in description below. Now once you click to average weekly sales, select your country of sale, like where you are selling on eBay. I sell in Australia. Then keywords. So for this tutorial I will use the mobile phone accessories. So I'll just mobile phone, and once you type in mobile phone it will suggest you further keywords, so you can select your particular type of product, and maybe in my case mobile phone holder for car, and then new condition, browse by categories. If you know what kind of categories it is, then you can select from here, but if you don't know you can always skip it. So I will select phones and accessories and then run report. It will take about 30 seconds. So once the report has been generated, on the left hand side panel you can apply some filters to this report. In the locations I would select Australia only in my case, so it will eliminate the sellers who are selling from outside of Australia. Now I will select fixed price, and now here on the right hand side panel I get all the basic data directly from here. But if I go down, and here you will have 3 different menu options: sellers, brand and listing. Under the sellers you will find all the competitor sellers. Under the brands you will find all the brands which are selling the phone holders, and under the listing you will find all the current listing or past listings which are selling good. So you can go by sold per week, top to bottom, highest sold per week to lowest, and price. You can check the prices. You can check sold in price per week altogether. Now this is the top listing which is selling very good. If I click to it, it will open up the real eBay listing where you can see the photos of this listing. You can see their description and item specifics of this listing. Now if I go back here on Shelftrend, you see here the average price of this particular product is $14.25, and he's selling about 45 items, this particular item, per week, which is amazing. Different seller selling the same item for $11.95 and still he be able to sell 14 per week. This is the third one, 11.85, 12 per week, and so on. So now you know the products which are selling on the average of $10 to $15 price range, and still it is selling very good. So if you have high margin into this product, like you can afford to import this product at $2 per item, and if you can add up $6 of shipping cost, then it would be total $8. Then let me calculate the profit margin, how much it can be. So if I go to ecomhardy.com and free tools, under the free tools you can go with the advanced profit margin calculator tool, and cost price, if I put $2, selling price is 14.25, but instead of that I want to eliminate the competition, 13.99. Shipping cost is $6. Advertising cost type is percentage. I would set to maybe 8%, and then marketplace or eBay cost type is percentage. They are taking about 12% of each sale, and other costs can be packaging cost or something. I would add 0.1, so 10 cents. And tax type, I would say it is costing 10% here in Australia. Fees type, I would keep it blank and calculate. That way I would know profit margin. So after selling this item for $13.99, I would still get 12% profit if I sell it on eBay for $13.99 by eliminating all these other costs. So on an average per sale, it is giving me $1.40. And if I sell, like you see here, 45, then I am selling 45 times 1.4 is $63 per week. So per month I might be getting $252 just by selling one item. And if you combine these kind of items, like you have maybe 50 items like this one, you can make $12,600 per month profit. So make sure you get 50 correct items which are selling very good, like this one, and that way you can boost your business very quickly, and per month profit would be very high. Another thing I forgot to mention is you can apply more filters like $14 to $99, or if like you still get some sellers are selling expensive phone holders and they are still managing to sell 15 per week, and weekly sale is $1,000. That's amazing. So it is a good tool. You can clear all the filters now and only fixed price. Now if I want to export this report, simply click here to export, and I can check this report later date, and I can do more research and import the similar items. That way you can pick and choose right items for your e-commerce business, and that report will help you to increase the sales and increase the revenue quickly. You can do more research by putting some keywords here in the search and etc. Item specific, you can change the item specifics as well. In the next video I will gonna show you top 500 live listings report, so how to generate them and how to use them. So feel free to check it out. Link is provided in the description. Also you will find the video on the screen here. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. That way you will not miss any these kind of videos which will help you to boost your e-commerce business. If you like this video, thumbs up and comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.